Ready to transform your ideas into signed documents. Discover how to harness the power of Canva Docs in this easy-to-follow guide. Whether you are crafting a resume, a presentation, or a social media post, we'll show you tips and tricks to make your projects pop. Say goodbye to boring templates and hello to professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Join us and unleash your creativity today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where we will show you step by step how to use Canva Docs. So the first step that you have to do is open a browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including documents, presentations, social media graphics, and more. Canva Docs is a feature within Canva specifically designed for creating text-based documents, combining the simplicity of a word processor with the design flexibility of Canva. Users can easily incorporate images, graphics, and templates to enhance their documents, making it an ideal tool for both personal and professional projects. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just sign up on Canva and you write your email address and your password, then you get started. If you already have an account, you click over here and you select home. Also, we have other options here, as you can see, and you will find this page, as you can see. So you have just to click over doc and you will find this page. So this is the page that we work on it. So the first thing you have just firstly to add, for example, text, and here we have the text that we have. So I will add a title firstly. For example, I will just add here book, then I'll put the size that I want. For example, I will select 72. Then I will select bold here. The color I will select the blue one, and here we have it. Right now I will just put here list, and then I will select this one to make it in the, I'll put it in the middle, and this is it. Right now I will just select this one, I'll put it as a second hidden, and also I will select the color. For example, I will select the gray one, and here we have it how it looks. Then I will just select also this one and I will put here the color, the black color, as you can see. Then I will load also this one, and this one it's a hidden. I will just also do the same, select the size, I will select only the hidden color. I will select the gray one. Then we have also this one. I will just select the black color, and here we have it how it looks. Right now I will add also a subhidden. Firstly, conclusion like that. I will select here underline. About the color, I will select the gray color, and here we have it how it looks, as you can see. Also we have other options like if you want to design hidden, subhidden, if you want a body text, table, divider, page break, trick list, button list, numbered list, column. For example, select the column you want. Also we have other options like here we have highlight blocks, quotes, date, mention, drop down, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, embed, emoji, and help. And this is it. Right now, and here we have this zoom in, zoom out. And also we have other options here at the left, like templates. For example, you search for the doc templates that you want. For example, on page here, background, resume, poster, flyer, table, simple background, Halloween, text box, menu, and we have various things. Then here we have elements also. For example, we have tables here, and if you want columns, recently used, and we have various things. Also, we have here graphics, photos, charts, videos. Then we have here option of print if you want to add print fonts, logos, photos, graphics, icons as well. Then we have here uploads, for example, if you want to upload an image or video, as you can see. Then we have here products. About uploads, you can also use the option to connect your account and you upload whatever you want from your account. Then we have here projects, for example, if you want to add designs here, folders or images. Then we have apps here. For example, if I select Facebook, you can just click for open and you add your Facebook photos to here. Also, we have here other things like file, magic switch, editing, and we have here endo and redo. Then we have here all changes, and this is the title. The right, for example, book. Then we have here for add an account, insights, and here we have discussion as well. There are no comments on this design. You have just to add a comments, you select an image that you want, suggestions for you, erase, resolved, and other things. Then here we have the option of share. You have just to click over share and you add the name of people with access that you want to share with it. Then we have here collaboration link. You select if it anyone with the link can access the design using it. Then we have here all of you can access the design using this link. Also, we have here other options like download public view link. About this one, we have just to create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view only version of this design. No sign-in required. Then we have your software folder and we have other options like embed and we have website. So this is how it works. With this one, you can just get started as soon as possible. So Canva Docs empowers users to create visually upload documents effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of design tools, it bridges the gap between traditional word processing and creative design, whether you are drafting reports, resumes, or presentations. Canva Docs allows you to express your ideas in a polished and engaging way. Dive in today and elevate your document creation experience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.